All right, good day. What we got right here? First of all, welcome to the first edition of this is Street Smugglers growing hemp in Texas. Okay, this morning we just got our seeds in. This is the Queen Dream Seeds from Blue Forest Farms from Longmont, Colorado. So we're about to open up the box right now and see what's going on with this. Okay. So inside here, we got our certificate of analysis. Along with a letter from the Colorado Department of Agriculture. Okay. Everything on the up and up. Our THCA, looking at, according to the lab reports, is 0.26. That should be good. It's always packaged. What we're gonna be doing is germinating these seeds. So there you go. Blue Forest Farms. Get focused in on that. The 50 count. Hemp seeds. There you go. So, stay tuned as we get ready to show you the germination process. Okay, so here we got the regular paper towel technique. That's how we're gonna be germinating. There we go. We're going to be germinating. Let's drop 10. That's more than 10 fell just now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll put the rest back. And more spray. And we'll take this, put it inside a Ziploc bag, and put it in a dark spot. In about 3 days, we'll come back and check it. And we'll hit you back. So in 3 days, come back to the channel and let's see what we're working with.